Hello and welcome back to the channel everyone. I hope you guys are doing really well. It's a special occasion because we've completed 1K subscribers. We actually did that in the month of Ramzan but I didn't get a chance to vlog, so I couldn't share the news with you all. So I'm really thankful to all my subscribers. And about today, we are doing a cycling ride to our favorite destination, Bhagini. With
I am back finally after 8 months.
So he said he's back after 8 months and riding after a long time. I've been doing a short ones like 20 kilometers or so, but this will be a long one. So let's see how it goes. And guys, keep supporting, watch this vlog completely and do subscribe to the channel if you're new. I really appreciate it. And for the time being, we've stopped at Hebal Lake. The beautiful Hebal Lake is all up with a few rains, and there are a few birds. I'm not sure if you can notice, but yeah, Shuren had to fix the handlebar as it was dropping down. How's it now?
Yeah, it's all good.
It's all
the
good.
problem comes when I hit a pothole.
Ah.
So then it goes down. So again, I'm
done. Alright guys, so I'll catch you on the next pit stop. See ya. Almost 15 kilometers in, 5 kilometers to go. Lots of bikers today. Not sure why, but very big groups and a lot of super bikes on the way. Woo! For us, let's keep going. Woo! 19 kilometers in, and we have a lake that side, so let's go and check it out. What do you say? Man, too many bikers today, right?
I guess there's some
event happening, right? Yeah, I'm not aware because not many groups that I know informed anything about it.
Rally riders today.
Yeah.
So I'm guessing there's some rally.
Some off-road stuff. Yeah. So let's carry on with our plan of seeing how good this lake is, the water level. And then what do you want? Dosa, is it? Okay. Let's go. They've actually improved it, no? There was no gate, no entrance. There's no walking pathway. And here you see they've put up a bench also.
It's actually nice to see all those Navy planes and stuff landing.
Actually, this place is really beautiful. They've given this bench. You can sit, chill, watch those budding pilots take those training flights. So nice, right? Actually, there are a lot of ducks there, that side in the water. Photography done?
Done.
Okay. Lake done?
Done.
What's next?
Lake is road.
Okay, and midway, if you watch this vlog till here, what are they supposed to do? subscribe to the channel, guys, and watch the video till end. It's gonna be fun, and you know, keep showing your love. And again, thank you so much for the 1K subscribers. So without further ado, let's go ahead. Bhagini calling. I really like it. Dosa's in. Feasting time. How I miss these Bhagini dosa. Huh?
With the too crispy, bro.
I like crispy, bro. I don't like the...
It should be soft from the inside and crispy from the outside.
No, I don't like the thick ones. You know, that they tend to become very soft. But these are really nice. So, without further ado, let's dive in. How's it?
Really nice. Really missed this.
Super heavy breakfast done, and time to head back.
Now is the worst part of the ride, going back home.
Yeah, so now we'll be tested. The actual stamina that you were talking about will be tested now because of the sun, the traffic, and of course, you know, we've used what little glycogen we had, but we've eaten.
Yeah.
So let's see how it goes. The wind is blowing in our direction, making it really hard. Shuran, how many kms done?
28 kilometers done, 12 more to go.
How was the last stretch?
Oh, it's crazy, man. The headwinds today are crazy.
Yeah. The headwinds are killing us, but we are trying to kill it.
Yeah.
But we are killing ourselves in that process. So
we got a nice
workout
draft
done.
there,
Yeah, the draft. So what happens in a draft is usually the person in front takes the headwind so that it makes it easier for the guy behind. So in this case, I was drafting him, and on the downhill, he was drafting me. On the downhill, you don't need, but still, I was ahead and he was behind. So let's try to follow the same concept, because
Need it on this stretch.
on this stretch, this is a really bad stretch. You know, after that Cerner stretch, this stretch is really bad. So let's get going before the sun takes a toll. Okay. Looks like a flower market here. I think it starts early in the morning and they are almost winding up right now. Shiren, how many kilometers to go now?
9 kilometers to go. We're near visiting malls. So
9 kilometers, right?
yeah.
Okay.
Just hope that we don't catch the traffic.
See, I think we'll find traffic near this junction, the Hebal junction, but post that again I think we have to, you know, pace ourselves. And it was pleasant while going back, but while coming there's a lot of sun. Headwind is causing a problem, and I think while going, when we take this turn, it's going to be crosswind. So let's see, let's stop somewhere and grab chicky or some chocolate. It's Sunday, right? So it'll be less traffic. Welcome to Ring Road. It's all about pacing on this road, keeping a tempo. Traffic, man, traffic. Problem with road bikes without a stand.
What's the problem? That guy. Better.
It's too hot also, no, today.
It's really hot.
The way we started the ride, it was
so chill
really
in the morning.
pleasant.
Yeah.
But now it's changed completely. You want some? Hanji.